Hello and a very warm welcome to Gold Classes. Today in this session, we are going to have discussion and conversation with math students, and they are sitting here with a purpose. They want to speak English, and this is what the target we have. And thank you so much for joining us, students. First of all, I would say,
Thank you.
and I want to know and begin with who you are and exactly what is about you. Firstly, you have to tell us why you come up over here, who you are, a little bit of your introduction. So you have to start first of all. So tell us a little bit your name and details, where you come from. Yeah.
Thanks a lot, sir. Before my introduction, before giving my introduction, I would like to share a few words to all of you. वक्त से लड़कर जो नसीब बदल दे, इंसान वही जो अपनी तकदीर बदल दे. वक्त से लड़कर जो नसीब बदल दे, इंसान वही जो अपनी तकदीर बदल दे. कल क्या होगा कभी मत सोचो, क्या पता कल खुद वक्त अपनी तस्वीर बदल दे.
Yeah. Amazing. So it is something that you have had in your head, and actually, so I want to know who you are. Go for your introduction. I want to know. Yeah.
Very firstly, before I start, I would like to say I am extremely happy to be here,
Yeah.
and I am delighted to be here a part of this conversation.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, sir, for giving me this opportunity
Yeah. Yeah.
to speak here. I am glad to introduce myself. By the way, my name is Rohit Yadav.
Yeah.
Basically, I am from Jaunpur itself.
Yeah.
When it comes to my academic qualification,
Yeah.
I am pursuing MBA from Purvanchali University.
Yeah.
That's about me.
Yeah. Okay. So you are Rohit, and you are pursuing your MBA, Masters in Business Administration. All right.
Yes.
So it is really a good decision you have taken. And so I want to know why English. What was the reason behind joining this platform and coming to Gold Classes? And what exactly was the reason? Do you think English is important in your life? Do you feel it's important?
Yeah.
So coming to the next question I have for you, Rohit, I want to know exactly what is the purpose of education in our life, and why you go for, and this society we are in should be educated. And I have seen to some extent, they have lack of education, and that is the root cause of everything, like problems we are facing nowadays in our society. So I feel education plays an important role in our society, but I want to know and hear a little bit from you in your own words. What is the importance of education and English as a language in your life? Yeah.
It's a good question, sir. When it comes to English, when it comes to education, as far as I know, I would say it is the very important thing in our life. It improve the knowledge, skill, and overall the personality development. I think without English language, we cannot do any work easily.
That has become the need of our, you mean to say? Yeah. Okay. So what is next you want to add to this conversation? So you feel it's important, and is there anything you want to add to that talk?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, of course. It in my point of view, education is key of success.
Yeah. So okay. So Rohit, I am very happy. Just you have joined this session, and you are now facing camera as well. And you are speaking before the people. This video is reaching a large number of students like you. So I think we are doing something in order to teach students and viewers who want to speak English and learn English in their life. Okay.
Yes.
So everything is quite easy, but most of the people take it very seriously and they take it as a burden. But English is a language, not a subject. So language can be done and can be learned by way of practice, I mean to say. And if you go for practice on a daily basis, and you can if you join sessions like this, that we are in conversation sitting over here, you can learn English. So I'm very happy you are a beginner, but whatever attempts you are making in order to be a speaker is good, and there is nothing wrong in it. But all you need is your strong willpower and determination to be a speaker in the coming days. In the days to come, you have my best wishes and blessings to be a good speaker.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So, well, coming to the next speaker joining us this morning, I can say I have a couple of speakers, and they were, showing their interest to speak something with me on this platform in particular. So, as a coach of this institution, Gold Classes, it's my responsibility to teach every and single candidate who is coming to me with a purpose and to learn something from here. So I have the next speaker joining us this morning, whose name is Dheeraj. So Dheeraj, that is what I know. But more than your name, I want to know a little bit that you have to say here on this particular occasion, this particular conversation and session we are in. Yeah, go ahead. Talk a little. Yeah.
First of all, sir, before I go any further, I would say, sir, thank you, sir, and thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am extremely happy to be here and delighted to be a part of this conversation. Uh, and sir, by the way, my by the way, a very special good morning to all of you. And my name is Dheeraj Vishwakarma. Well, coming to my birthplace, I would like to say I am from a Jaunpur. When and when it comes to my qualification, I would say I am pursuing diploma in computer science, and that's all about it, sir.
Okay, so you are pursuing diploma in computer science. So I feel in the field of computer and technology, English has been chosen as the
Yeah.
language of study and research. Everything
Yes.
is happening in English. So you should go for it. You should do something in order to be a good communicator in the days to come. Dheeraj, you are doing well. You have taken a good kind of decision. This sort of decision at an early age will take you to the top of your success. Definitely, you will achieve and hit your target. You have my best wishes and blessings. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I know difficulties are there coming your way while speaking. When you are trying to speak and deliver contents to the people, it feels you feel uneasy. But once you are put into such an environment, every single time, all the time, you will have something to learn. Okay. So please stay confident, and your dedication will take you to the point where you want to go. Okay, coming to the next question I have for you is I want to know, as you did your diploma, you are almost
Yes.
completing your diploma this year, and I think now you need this language to go through, and everything is going to happen in the same language. Most of the tech companies and everything, they communicate in English, be it mails or anything, the correspondence they do, everything happens in English. So you should go for it, you should do it first. Okay, so I want to know from you, Dheeraj, what is about computers are important for us or not for the coming generation, and in what way, what do you think, and how do you look at things like computer and related stuff? Yeah.
Well, sir, it's a good question, and in present scenario, uh, we all we all think that it's very important, and because without computer and internet, we can't do this anything, and in our life, use very large level, and by the way, I want to tell one thing that computer is used way in our life examples, so as hospitals, educations, and banks, everywhere, and without the computer it's not possible, and without computer or internet not possible, and
You mean to say it is being used everywhere, be
yeah,
it
yes,
education, computer, or clinical fields,
clean.
everywhere, it is being used. Okay, all right, okay. So what is else you want to add to it? Yeah.
And sir, and most of the time it's very used in our home.
So Dheeraj, you have talked about computers and internet, and in your words, I can understand. Like you have shared with me its importance, and you were trying to say it is being used on a wide scale, and everyone is using this, be it clinical, medical, or any other fields. Everything being done with the help of computer. We are seeing, we are witnessing around us. Okay, so I think as a whole, in a nutshell, I can say computers. This we are living in the age of computer,
Yes, sir.
and this is an era of computers and internet, and that's what we have. Okay, so that's good, and we are doing everything, and in order to make a perfect a society around us, and everything is happening the way we want. Okay, so coming to the next part and segment of our conversation, and I want to reach to you once again, Rohit. What was your experience since you joined the session? And I think you are now on a platform where you are taught spoken English, like how to speak English. And it doesn't matter, no matter you did nothing in the past, like you never paid attention, significant amount of attention to your speaking and language as a part of your life, and all of a sudden you have now decided to improve your communication skills. So how is your experience entirely with gold classes since you have joined us, and what are the changes happening in your life? This is what I want to know, last but not the least, coming to the conclusion of our talk. Yeah.
Sure, sir. I am extremely happy to be here
Yeah.
and join these classes.
Yeah.
Last but not the least, I would say I am very thankful to you, sir, and I am very, very grateful to all of you. That's all about it.
Yeah, you mean to say you are quite happy and satisfied with everything that you are learning over here?
Yeah, yeah, sir.
Okay, that's good. So I want to know in the concluding part of our conversation, Dheeraj, from you. Okay, Dheeraj. So coming to the final point and destination of our conversation, I want to know from you your entire experience with this platform. That since you have joined, I think some sort of changes must be happening, and to what extent you are agreed to the things that you are getting over here, and how do you feel in the last? You want to say anything? A few words you can add before we end this conversation.
Thank you, sir. It's a good question for me. When well comes to gold classes and gold classes with my experience, and when I came here, I think it's not possible. But how spend time with gold classes? I feel it is a easy for me, and because Dr. Onisar is my teacher. First, when I came here, I feel it not possible for me, and I feel it is a tough. But now I can say it is a easy for me, and I feel like I will be a good speaker in coming days. And last of all, I would say so. Thank you for me giving this opportunity, and I am extremely happy to be a part of this conversation. So thank you so.
Okay, amazing. So, on my learners' behalf, I want to tell you all viewers from YouTube that they are beginners, and I need, your comments in order to be good at speaking. And on learners' part, I am requesting you all to comment and drop your comments in the comment box so that we can perform better in the coming sessions. And I know everyone is learning here, and learning that you haven't done anything like that may be easy, and it is definitely English is a language, and that cannot be done in the blinking of an eye. It takes usually a lot of time and efforts. So everything is happening. I hope you would have enjoyed this session, and you would have enjoyed this session with my speakers over here. and they are beginners, and everyone is trying to learn something here at this platform. You can also join us. You have in the description, you can get in touch with us with the help of contacts given in the description box. So let us meet again in the next video. मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में नए कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ. तब तक के लिए अलविदा.